Along with our collaborators at Johns Hopkins Institute, Dr. Sanjay Jain's lab, who is in the tuberculosis imaging and research, the Center for Translational Medicine was set out to investigate an important question. What is the optimal dose of rifampin to give patients with TB meningitis? Rifampin is a very important drug for the treatment of tuberculosis, and it's been there for almost 50 years. But the sad part is we still don't know how to use rifampin, or actually, in other words, what is the right dose of rifampin to give to these patients, whether it's in TB meningitis or pulmonary tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is a major public health challenge, and pharmaceutical companies are not really invested in this space because there are lack of incentives in this market. Tuberculosis meningitis is a very devastating and deadly form of TB, and this usually impacts young children, and especially those with HIV. At the Center for Translational Medicine, we used advanced pharmacometric modeling and simulation techniques to integrate the knowledge and principles of clinical pharmacology across the 50 years that we have for rifampin and optimize the treatment of rifampin in these patients. It's only with the use of such integrated technologies like imaging and what we do at CTM that we can optimize treatments at an individual level to every patient. And this is the goal of CTM at University of Maryland, where we are striving to individualize treatment for every patient one at a time. We strive to develop point-of-care solutions for providers and clinicians that can help individualize treatment to patients. The techniques and tools that we are developing can be generalizable. In fact, CTM is developing a decision support system. It's called as a clinical decision support system that will be available very soon that can optimize treatments for various conditions and various therapeutics at multiple locations. This is going to revolutionize how we treat individual patients.